gonna wipe the inside. And what is this? Is this a spoon? God dang, oh what the? There's Corona. What the? God dang! Hey guys, this is Eddie from Off-Road Chefs. Today we are installing smoke LED tail lights from 4x4 FLSTC. DOT approved. Check this out. Let's check it out. Woo, fresh. Beautiful. Oh god dang. It's gonna be fresh. So this is plug and play. Easy installation. Oh heck yeah. That's beautiful. All right, let's install this thing. So we're only gonna need couple of tools, so let's put that away. And then so we're just gonna need a ratchet and 10mm. 10. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove the access bolt for the tail light. It's the cap for the access. Alright, so we're just gonna kind of pry this thing to remove it. Oh. Right there. Woo. This guy right here, that's 10mm. So after you remove the bolt inside, just one bolt, so pretty much just kind of grab it and pop it out like that. Oh, there you go. And the light, unplug, and voila, disconnected. And gonna wipe the inside. And what is this? Is this a spoon? God dang, oh what the? There's Corona. What the? God dang! It's nice and cold. Thank you, Saiha. Woohoo! Alright, so after removing this bracket from the old taillights, we're also gonna remove this clip and transfer it to the new taillights. All right, now we're gonna transfer the clip on the other side. Just like that. Alright, and now we're gonna put the old bracket. So there's like alignment pin, just like that. So it goes in one place, and you're gonna use the 3 screws provided to replace the old screws. That's nice and tight, pretty sturdy. Alright, so now that we transfer the bracket for the bolt, and pretty much just plug this and install. just install the bolt from the back. All right, now that it's installed, we're just gonna pop this back in the cap, and that's it. Bam. All right, now let's move on the other side. So I just removed the bolt and just plug it up. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna transfer the bracket to the other tail light. All right, so now that we transferred the bracket from the other side tail lights, and we are ready to install. Plug, bam. And that's it. And just put the bolts from the inside and it should be done. All right, that's it. So just put the tools away. Alright, now it's installed. You shake it, no rattles. It's actually pretty sturdy. Yeah, that's in there. Pretty good. Heck yeah. Alright guys, that concludes our installations. I just want to say thank you 4x4 FLSTC for sending me this amazing LED tail light, smoke tail lights, DOT approved. So guys, check out the description below if you are interested to buy one of these, and there's a discount code below the description and the link. Alright.